Hello students, good morning all of you and welcome back to our online class Maths 8th standard. Students, today we are going to start a new chapter, that is the 13th, compound interest. Did you hear that about the term compound interest? The interest specially you have heard when that we are transaction of that money. While you are transacting your parents or anybody you have transaction that money, at that time that term will get the interest and also principal interest. Yes. So in previous classes also you have studied that what is that simple interest. Interest are two types. One is simple interest are one is simple interest, another one is the compound interest. So first of all we have to get that what is that interest. See students, whenever we will borrow some amounts, against that we have to pay to that borrower that person extra amounts. Okay, for the use of this amount you will pay that some extra amount with that. That is called as a extra amount is called as a interest. And whenever we return that by one certain time, yes. So we are going to discuss about that. What is that simple interest and what is this related applications in our daily life? We will discuss in this chapter. So let us first, what is that interest? It is a fee we pay for the use of borrowed money. Borrowed money means we borrowed from others. Whatever the amount we have brought, against that we are paying that some money, extra money. That is called as interest. The borrowed amount is called principal. क्या बोलते हैं उसको? प्रिंसिपल बोलते हैं हमें. जो लोन करके लेकर आया सबसे बैंक से और किधर थोड़ा if that some personal also loan we have taken, that we are saying whatever the amount we have taken from others, that is called as that amount is called as a principal. The percentage of the principal paid over a certain period of the time is called interest. After that, one particular time after, certain period after, that means may 1 year after, 2 years after, like that some certain period after, we are retaining that some extra amounts. That extra amount is called as a interest. Okay? So types of interest. There are two types of interest. One is simple interest, that is represented as SI or I. Compound interest, okay, CI. Okay. So the interest are two types. One is a simple interest, another one is a compound interest. So first of all, we are going to discuss about that. What is the simple interest? Okay. So simple interest is equal to the formula is equal to I is equal to PRT by 100. What do you mean by PRT? And I have written that I means simple interest. Simple interest short form we are writing in I. I stands for simple interest. Okay. And P stands for principal. Already I have told whatever that borrowed money we are loan getting from the banks or from others we are taking, that is called as a principal. And R for rate of interest. For 100%, whatever the amount, that rate, how much interest we have to pay over that certain period, that is called as rate of interest. And a time for that, T for time in a year, how much time we have kept that amount or that borrowed money with us, and that is called as a, what is that? Time. Okay, in a year we have to use. Okay friends, this is all about that, what is that interest and how many types of interest and what is that interest formula or simple interest formula, PRT by 100. Whenever principal, rate and time if we multiply by 100 will do, then we will get the interest. So based on that we will do some problems. Okay. See students, I have written that some example one here. See one question I have written here. Find the compound interest on 1200 for 2 years at 5% per annum. ठीक है? इसका मतलब हमको कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट निकालना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल यू हैव टू गेट दैट आइडिया व्हाट इज द कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का मतलब प्रिंसिपल विथ व्हेन दैट इंटरेस्ट विल ऐड. ओके, व्हेन द इंटरेस्ट विथ प्रिंसिपल विल बी गेट दैट नेक्स्ट ईयर फॉर दैट as a principal, then that amount will be as a principal, then that we should say that a compound interest problem. So we will discuss how that we will get that compound interest. We will see in this. So find the compound interest on that is for the 2 years. So there is the different formula also at a time formulas is there, but using simple interest we can find out first. Second method we can do that compound interest formula. ठीक है, solution. So write down the students. First of all, what is that given? This is principal. So given that principal or P is equal to how much? 1200. Okay. Rate of interest is equal to 5%. Next, it is asking that what is that compound interest? We have to find out that first of all by using the simple interest for 1 year. For it is given the time for you 2 years. Time given 2 years. But by using that simple interest, we have to find out that interest first for 1 year. Okay. So we know that simple interest I is equal to PRT by 100. Okay. We have to find out that interest. So PRT by 100. The formula. So what is that principal? The principal I have written that 1200 into rate of interest 5. Friends, here you should not think that here what is the time? Not 2 years, but you have to write a 1 year. Why? When it will ask that what is that simple interest, you have to put that to 2 years. But whenever it is asking compound interest to 1 year per annum, so we have to write 1 by 100. Okay? You should do the solve. 00 to 00 cancel. 12 5 how much? 60 rupees interest. So this is the interest for the end of that. Okay? So amount is equal to principal plus interest is equal to principal how much means 1200. Principal already 1200 plus the interest will add 60. That means 1260 is the interest of the amount of the what is that? Now this amount will be the principal for the second year, next year. Okay. So now what is that? Now amount is the principal for the next year. Second year you should write also. You can write it second year. So hence principal is equal to how much? We can write 1260. Rate of interest same 5%. Time 1 year. So we have to find out the interest. Interest is equal to same PRT by 100 is equal to 1260 into rate of interest 5 time 1 by 100. Okay. So 0 to 0 cancel to 5 you got 5 2 ja 2 6 ja 12 63. So we got the 63 as a interest. So we got 63 as a interest. Okay. So what is the question is asking? Find the compound interest. So hence the compound interest is 63 rupees. Okay friends. So but sorry, we have to write that what is that? We have to compound interest is equal to, you can write directly what is that? Here the end of that interest. So how will we find out that compound interest? Now we will find out that compound interest is equal to your amount minus principal. Okay. So now we can find out that first amount is equal to principal plus interest. How much will get? Principal how much? 1260 plus 63 is equal to 3 6 6 12 1 3 1323 is our amount. So compound interest is equal to amount minus principal. So amount how much? Actually amount is equal to what? 1323 minus 12 कितना है? 1200. So how much we got that? 123 rupees is the what is that? Compound interest. Okay friends. So क्या करना है हमको पहले? First it is given to you principal, rate of interest and the time. But time 2 years it has given, but compound interest means 1 yearly you have to find out. So first of all, by the using simple interest formula, that simple interest formula we should find the interest. We got that first year interest. जो इंटरेस्ट हमको मिला वो इंटरेस्ट को क्या करना है, वो जो प्रिंसिपल है उसका साथ ऐड करना है. जो फर्स्ट ईयर एंड ऑफ दैट फर्स्ट ईयर में जो इंटरेस्ट हमको मिला उसको क्या करना है, प्रिंसिपल का साथ ऐड करना है. एंड व्हाट एवर दैट वी गॉट दैट इज द प्रिंसिपल फॉर द सेकंड ईयर. नाउ दिस इज द सेकंड ईयर फॉर, दिस इज फॉर द सेकंड ईयर. ठीक है, एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट ईयर फॉर फर्स्ट ईयर. ठीक है, तो सेकंड ईयर के लिए प्रिंसिपल कितना होगा 1260, क्योंकि हमें इंटरेस्ट जो मिला उसको फिर प्रिंसिपल के साथ ऐड कर दिया. फिर रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट सेम रहेगा, टाइम 1 ईयर, ऑलरेडी 1 ईयर इधर कंप्लीट हो गया, नेक्स्ट ईयर ही तो उसके साथ हमें सिंपल इंटरेस्ट निकालना है. सिंपल इंटरेस्ट कितना आया हमको 63 आया. तो ये अमाउंट करेंगे तो ऐड करेंगे तो 1323 आएगी. तो 1023 हो गया अमाउंट. कंपाउंड इंटरेस्ट का फॉर्मूला हो अमाउंट माइनस प्रिंसिपल. अमाउंट इज इक्वल 1323 माइनस 1200 इज इक्वल टू 123. ओके, so like that you have to practice that your first exercise 13.1 you should try to do, and other event we will do in next video. Thank you.